Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of Euro Canadian dollar. This is going up and bullish. This is looking at this resistance. This pair when it was coming upward, it has only one resistance before this. That was this resistance, and before this resistance this pair was pushed down, but after hitting this support broke this resistance and is going up. What is resistance? The price after which the pair goes downward. This was the price that has sent this pair downward. So after breaking this, now these are not the resistances because the pair was already coming downward, but this is the level from where this pair came downward here and then consolidated here, and after consolidation went downward. So this was the first resistance. Let me write in the text. This pair broke first resistance, that was here. This was the R1. After this pair is going upward, and this is R2. In between I am going to explain before you, and there is not any strong resistance. There is, that I am going to explain after writing this text here. This is R2. This is resistance 2. Okay. Now let me put something here. Now let us see here. This was the support and resistances. What are they? Now let me put here the horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line I am going to put somewhere here. The pair has, now let us see here. Okay, watch here, it was pushed downward but then broke it upward. This is the level which I don't call purely a resistance, but I do call support turned resistance, and this was the SR1 on a daily time frame. Most of the time my experience is the levels work on daily time frames. So this was SR, this was RS, because this was support previously and afterward now this worked as resistance a bit, because this was a, let me type here, this was SR, this was SR, this was not pure resistance, this was support turned resistance. Though these levels do something, try to push downward, but they are not as powerful as these original. The resistances that I call them are very strong. This was a very strong resistance that was broken here. Watch, then the pair went directly upward. Here it stayed for some days, though it was pushed downward but broke it upward. This was not a resistance, a pure resistance, but this was support and resistance. Okay, so this is now broken. Now there is no such thing as resistance before this 1.46347. so EURCAD is bullish and expected to hit this resistance, and let us see what happens, whether it breaks or not. but I don't think that it is going to come downward from here, because neither there is any level already nor it has created any resistance here, because before it is resistance the pair goes in uh, consolidation for some days, but this is directly going upward. So this pair is going upward to the next resistance, and this is bullish. Like my this video, subscribe my channel, and please share with others. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.